Hello friends, this is Canon image class LBP6230DN printer and I am installing this in Windows 10 and I am facing this type of issue, could not recognize the USB connections. As you see, I am trying to install this Canon printer in Windows 10 and I am getting this error, could not recognize the USB connection. So now let's try again by clicking on retry button. Now power on the printer, and once the printer is power on, you will hear the sound of the printer that it is detected by the system. But wait for the completion of the process and you will know that the USB connection is not recognized by the Canon software. But wait for the completion of the progress and you will know that the USB connection is not recognized by the Canon software. As you see, almost more than 50% progress gone and still it is not recognized by the software. Just wait for the completion of the progress. See, still it is not recognized the USB connection. See, again failed, could not recognize the USB connection. Now to sort out this type of issue, you just need to open device manager. To open device manager, you have to click on search icon and then in the search box you just need to type device manager. Once you start typing, you will get the option device manager in the above of the list. You see here device manager here. Now you just need to click on device manager. Now here you have to find out software devices. You see this is software devices. Now expand this and here you will find the printer name. Say Canon LBP6230DN. Now you just need to right click on it and then you have to click on update driver. And then click search automatically for drivers. See, it is installing drivers. You must be connected to the internet. The Windows has successfully updated drivers. Now close this window. Again close this window. And now again we have to click on retry button, or you can start the installation from the beginning. See, this time it is detected. And now we have to perform the rest of the tasks. Now click install button. Installing manuals. Click exit. Now you have to click on accept button. And then click next. Now again click on the next button, and in this way you can solve the USB connection not recognized issue. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.